Does your stucco exterior home feel more like a forgotten corner than a relaxing retreat? You're not alone. Many homeowners overlook this space. It starts as a transition zone and ends up as storage or an afterthought. But here's the truth. You don't need a contractor or a massive budget to turn it around. With a few smart updates, your stucco home can become one of the most loved spaces in your house. Whether it's coffee mornings, remote work, date nights, or family game nights, this outdoor space has the potential to be your new favorite room. In today's video, I'll share 5 powerful makeover ideas, from finishes and colors to layouts and styles. Each one is practical, inspiring, and budget-friendly. Stick around, because the last idea might just be the most magical transformation of all.
Welcome to Architecture Inspiration X, your go-to space for elegant, creative, and practical home design ideas. In today's video, we're diving into something truly transformative for your outdoor space: patio pergola ideas. So grab your favorite drink, hit that like button, and let's explore how the right pergola can turn your patio into a stunning retreat.
Smooth versus textured finishes. Let's kick things off with one of the most overlooked updates, your stucco finish. The choice between smooth and textured can completely change how your home feels. I worked with a homeowner whose exterior looked flat and outdated. By smoothing the finish, suddenly their home looked modern, sleek, and almost Mediterranean. Another neighbor went the other way, adding a light texture that gave their walls warmth, depth, and character. Tips: smooth finish, ideal if you want a clean, modern look that pairs with bold lighting and furniture. Textured finish, perfect for a rustic, cozy vibe, especially if you're leaning Mediterranean. Mix and match, use smooth stucco on walls and textured stucco around columns or accents for dimension. Styling: pair smooth walls with metallic or glass lighting. Style textured walls with wooden accents and greenery. Add outdoor rugs that contrast the wall finish for balance. Why it works. Texture influences light, shadow, and mood. A smooth wall reflects light evenly, giving off sophistication. A textured wall creates shadow play, adding warmth and storytelling to the space. If you love the seasonal vibe, hit that like button and tag someone who needs this inspiration. Neutral and bold color options. Color is one of the quickest ways to make a stucco exterior home feel alive. And here's the best part, you don't need to repaint everything. Strategic pops of color can make even the smallest porch feel big on personality. Set the scene. Picture yourself sipping coffee on a soft, neutral backdrop, calming, timeless, and elegant. Now imagine the same stucco wall in bold teal or deep terracotta. It suddenly feels vibrant and unforgettable. Try these features: neutral base plus bold trim, soft gray walls with bold black shutters. Accent wall, just one colorful stucco wall can change the whole vibe. Furniture play, use bold colored chairs or planters to add contrast. Design tips? Use earth tones if you want a Mediterranean warmth. Try charcoal and white for a sleek, modern look. For small spaces, keep the main wall neutral but go bold with accessories. Which vibe suits you best? Minimal chill or cozy jungle? Drop your pick in the comments. Stucco with stone or brick. Here's a game changer. Pairing stucco with stone or brick. This combo brings instant curb appeal and creates a natural, upscale feel. One client had a plain stucco home that blended into the street. By adding a stone accent wall and brick borders along the patio, suddenly the house had character, and at night, with lighting, it looked like a boutique villa. Lighting types to highlight stone and stucco. String lights, romantic and versatile. Wall sconces, great for highlighting texture. Uplighting, perfect for showcasing stone or brick at night. Installation tips. Place lights at angles to cast shadows on textured stucco. Use solar options for easy, budget-friendly installs. Always layer lighting. Ambient plus task plus accent. Pro insight: consider bug-repelling LED bulbs or warm-colored solar lights for eco-friendly charm. Tell me, what's your dream night on the porch? A movie, date night, or dinner party? So here's the big question. Is your stucco exterior home still a forgotten corner? Or is it ready to become the most exciting room in your house? You don't need a huge renovation to make it happen. Just start with one of these 5 ideas. Finishes that add depth, colors that transform mood, stone or brick for elegance, layouts that invite comfort, or Mediterranean and modern styles for a bold shift. Each idea adds style, function, and heart. Because design isn't just about walls, it's about creating spaces where memories are made. Whether it's cozy lighting, smart layouts, or plant-powered charm, even small updates can transform how you feel at home. Which idea inspired you most? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget, subscribe for weekly makeovers, design inspiration, and outdoor living tips.